Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet. So in order to buy crypto on Trust Wallet, first of all, make sure that your account is verified. Now then, to begin with, then log into your account. Enter in your credential to log into your account. Once logged in, it's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. You'll only be able to trade on Trust Wallet or any of the crypto app if your account is verified. So if your account is verified, then click the buy button. As soon as you click the buy button, go ahead and select or type in crypto. Once you select crypto or CRO, select the one, and next page you'll have to enter in the exact amount of crypto that you wish to buy. So make sure that you've already added a payment source. After you're done with this procedure, confirm all of the information, and lastly it's going to take you to the summary page where you'll be able to see all of the information such as the amount of currency that you're using in order to buy, and that's how you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.